How to set up Facebook dating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing first, keep in mind that Facebook dating should be available on this page on the menu of Facebook. However, if you cannot find the dating option, there are various reasons for this. It is firstly the eligibility criteria for the Facebook dating. Here are some of the criteria that you need to meet. The very first one is you must be at least 18-year old. Likewise, second is having a Facebook account in a good standing, that is, at least 30 days old. Also, you need to be from a country where this is available. Unfortunately, currently it is not available in all the countries. So, if you do not belong to any of this eligibility, you might not be able to see the Facebook dating application. However, if you belong to those, then you can definitely set up your Facebook dating. The process is quite simple. You can go to your Facebook app, tap on the menu, and click on Dating. From there, you will see a Get Started button. Tap on it. Make your choices and then tap on Next, or you could skip the questions as well. Then, after, tap on Confirm and on Next. After that, you can select your gender identity, select your match's gender identity, and you can start up with the dating process. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.